Hey everybody, this is Melvin with TechRunning 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to change up the look of your Galaxy Watch 4. And so for demonstration purposes, we have our Galaxy Watch 4 here, and this is the 46 millimeter. And this is a very good looking watch, and this is the way it normally looks. But what we want to do in this video is show you how to change up the look, give you a better look, to add a little bit more swag to your look. And the way we're going to do that is by switching it into a rugged sports band. And so we have three different bands here, as you can see. We have two by a company called Etium and one by a company called Slicka. And so here is the Slicka one, and it's a very nice packaging. It says Slicka here at the bottom. On the sides is designed for sports and fashion. And the color of this band is a blue color. And we're going to take it out real quick. Now these bands are made of a soft, durable, and lightweight TPU material. It's sporty and it perfectly fits a man for sports, business, fitness, and other outdoor activities. And so this is a very nice looking band. Like I said, it's a blue color and has a black clasp here at the end here, a little metal piece here. And it just goes through like so, and it clamps down on both ends, as you can hear that popping. And so you can take that back loose, and your watch just slides up into here. And so you take your old watch band off, and then you put the watch itself in there. And so it has a pretty good look, and we're going to switch out the band real quick and put it into this one to show you how it looks. Well, okay, we got it all installed now, and it looks pretty good in my opinion. And again, this is the Slicka watch band. As you can see, we have the silver bezel exposed here, which is a pretty good look. And if you look around the side here, you have your button cutouts there for your home button and your back button. And on the other side is just a impression of buttons, but the buttons are really on your right. And if you look at the bottom, like we said, this pops into the band itself. And so you still have room to where you put your charger at night so you can wirelessly charge, where you can charge your watch. And it looks pretty good. And if we were to pop it onto our wrist, kind of give you an idea of how it would look, like so. And that clamps on. And like I said, I think that looks very, very nice. Like I said, a nice, sporty, rugged watch band. And so that is the blue Slicka rugged watch band. And so now the other watch company we're looking at, or the other band company, is called Etium. And I'm not sure which color it is. We have two different colors that we want to show. And the packaging is just kind of basic, just a little box itself. Little information around the sides, and we're going to take it out. And this particular band is orange, and it's made up the same way as a Slicka band, where the watch pops in through here, and you have the nice clasp there, and the metal piece there that fastens the band. So we're going to pop our watch into there and give you an idea of what it looks like. Well, okay, we have our new watch band on here, and again, this is by a company called Etium, and this is a very nice looking band also. And again, this is a band made up of soft, durable, and lightweight TPU material. And like I said, it's a very sporty look. Again, you have the opening here where you can see the silver bezel. You look around the side, you have your buttons out there, your home button and your back button. And like I said, the way it works is you just pop your watch inside of this, and so it has enough room to where you can put your charging puck on there to be able to charge it. And so I think that's a great look. We're going to put it on my wrist real quick to see how it looks. And so getting it on the wrist, that's how it looks. I think it looks really nice also. And so if the orange is too bright for you, I think the blue looks very well also. And so that is the orange sports watch band by Etienne. And so now we're going to try on the other band. We'll open up the box here and to see what it is. And I believe the other band is a white band. So we're going to pull everything out of there. And so we're going to switch out the orange band real quick and put it on the white and give you an idea of what it looks like. Well, okay, we got it all set up in the white. And so this is the white watch band by Etienne. It looks very nice also. You can see the silver bezel also too. And I think this looks pretty good in the white. So if the blue or the orange isn't quite to your liking, maybe you like the white. And if you look at the side, you can see the buttons, the home buttons and the back button. And looking around the side, like I said, it's a rugged band. So it goes pretty good with anything that you can wear. Be it, it's mainly a sporty type band. So for working out or, whatever you please. Let's put it on our wrist real quick to give you an idea of what it would look like on. And so after you get it on your wrist, I think that looks pretty good. And so you can change up the colors to match whatever you're wearing, if that's what you want to do. But overall, I think this is a great watch band. And like I said, they have many different colors. We've just showed the blue, the orange, and the white, but you can pick them up in black and green. So overall, I think these are some great watch bands and a great way to change up the look of your Galaxy Watch 4. So that's about it for our video for today. Hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you'll be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.